Hello, guys. This video will show you how to set shipping methods for specific products. Log into your DSers dashboard and navigate to Settings. Under Supplier Setting, you're on the shipping page by default. Scroll to the Add Global Shipping Method Based on Product section. Click on the Search by Supplier Product Title bar. In the side window, enter a mapped product title or its keyword in the search box and click the Search button. Products that match your search will appear. Click on the product title or the gear icon of the product you want to set the shipping method for. To determine the destination country, choose a country from the country list directly or input a country and click the Search button to select a country under Ship To. From the available shipping options shown on the right, select one you desire for this product. Click Save. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!